Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are on the daily time frame. Because on the daily, we do have what I would call a five-wave structure to the downside, right to a Fibonacci level. Then we have price reacting to that Fibonacci level. Now, we definitely still do not have an engulfing move to the upside yet, but because of the five-wave structure and how it's acting at this Fibonacci level, I think there's a good chance that we will make a move up on the dollar. Whether the move up ends up being a pullback to this move down, which I still think is pretty likely, or whether it ends up doing a much bigger leg to the upside, I guess is yet to be determined. If this is the end of a wave Y, then it should just be a crescent to the downtrend. If it's not the end of a wave Y, then it could turn into a more complex pattern like a bigger WXY. So anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we really can't deny that the trend is definitely down still. But because of that daily time frame, I think there's a good chance that this could end up pushing up more, maybe even giving us a little bit of a break of structure. So if that's true, you would have to take that information and apply it to the US dollar pairs themselves and trade accordingly. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.